Hi, my name is Dennis Chu, and I'm the Senior Product Manager here at Coverity. And today in this video, I'm here to introduce to you our Policy Manager product. So let's suppose for a moment that I'm the executive of a large software development organization. Now, one of the problems that I have is continuous visibility into what's actually going on across all the teams that I'm responsible for. I have many different key metrics that I continuously monitor because these metrics are a good indication into risk. They provide deep insight into the overall quality of my code, security of my code, the testing, manageability, and even ROI, because I want to make sure that my developers always focus on fixing the high impact type of defects that are known to cause serious issues down the road or also additional support cost. Now, of course, this gets very complicated, very complex, very quickly, because I have so many teams located all over the world. Some aren't even in the same country. I have all these different metrics that I need to monitor continuously. So the great thing about this is I'm able to track all the key metrics that I care about in a way that makes sense for my development organization with Policy Manager. So let's take as an example for this new project that development is about to start with. Now, for this new project, I care about defect density because I want to make sure that this is consistently low throughout the development process, and I want to track it over time. I want to make sure at any given point in time, QA is always ready to test this product. The second thing I want to focus on, perhaps, is security. I want to make sure that there are no known security issues when I release this product, because the last thing I want is headline news on a security breach leading to data loss from this product. And finally, perhaps I want to focus on test violations, because I want to make sure that all the core components of this product are fully tested by my developers. Now, once I've defined a policy which is meaningful for this project, Policy Manager will present any non-compliance against these policies in the form of a heat map. And this heat map can be configured in a way that is most meaningful for your organization. It can either be configured to map with the development team hierarchy against actual code structure, and it can also contain nodes which represent third-party code and or your supply chain. In my case, this actually represents my team. And whenever issues arise, the heat map will indicate areas of concern so that I know which of my teams I need to focus on and really zoom in and see what's going on. The great thing is it also shows me the bigger picture. It shows me how certain aspects of non-compliance with the policy I've set affects the overall project. Now, this also gives me great confidence to know when I'm ready to release, because my policy represents my release gate. So when I know there are no serious issues as indicated in the heat map, then I know that my product is ready for release, and I have great confidence that it will be a big success.